What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm gonna show you how to grow turmeric in containers. Did you know you can plant your turmeric from the store and grow more? Growing your own turmeric is super easy and anybody can do it. Turmeric is a beautiful plant with a lot of health benefits. So we planted our turmeric July 8th, and check it out. And this is a 30-gallon container. And this on our back porch is a 3-gallon container. I have no idea why the turmeric on our back porch in the 3-gallon container is a lot taller than the turmeric right here in the 30-gallon container. If you think you know why, let us know in the comment section. Turmeric is a tropical plant native to India. So just like ginger, turmeric thrives in warm weather. So if you don't live in a tropical environment, start your turmeric indoors the last week of November or the first week of December. And the reason I say that is because turmeric takes 7 to 10 months before it's ready to harvest. So if you live in 7B like us, you don't have 10 months of warm weather. So that's why you want to get that head start on the inside so you can get a great harvest. Turmeric grows perfect in partial to full shade and soil amended with compost. That's exactly why we have our turmeric growing under our back porch, and we planted our turmeric in red clay mixed with compost. The roots are not the only useful part of this plant. You can also use the leaves for cooking, and it also has beautiful flowers that are edible. Another cool thing about turmeric is that it's also a perennial. That means it dies back during winter freezes, but will come back to life in spring. Your turmeric is ready to harvest when the leaves and stem start to turn brown. That's usually 7 to 10 months after planting. And that's exactly why, if you don't live in a tropical environment, you need to start your turmeric indoors so you can get that head start. And that's another reason why, if you live somewhere like Alaska, turmeric might be very expensive and very hard to come by. This is what we feed our turmeric. Homemade comfrey fertilizer. So now that I show you what we feed our turmeric, I know you're wondering, didn't you just say you planted the turmeric July 8th? You don't have 7 to 10 months. You are absolutely right. That's why I made this video, to show you guys so you don't make the same mistake and start your turmeric indoors last week of November or December 1st. Because this year, we're not gonna get a harvest from this turmeric. I'm wondering, should I harvest this early just to see what it looks like? What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Do you want us to harvest this early so you can see what an early turmeric harvest look like? Or just leave it alone, let it die back and come back springtime? Check it out. 3-gallon container. Look at that. So I know y'all next question is, what do you plan on doing with the turmeric after you harvest? So our plan is to dehydrate it and turn it into powder.